So what's up guys? Mag-drain tayo. Bubuksan natin yung drain dahil nalimutan guys. Yung kaplak guys ng drain. Dito sa ilalim guys. So bubuksan natin guys. Kasi naglagay tayo ng tubig, nalimutan natin kunin yung kaplak.
A few moments later. A few moments later.
Huh?
A few moments later. 2,000 years later.
Guys, kuha na natin guys. Ito yung guys. Guys.